Hello everyone, and welcome to a first edition of Plants in the City. So as you can see, I don't know why I have my flash on. As you can see, I've added 3 more plant babies to the crew. So originally I was just gonna get 2 more because I needed to have the whole collection or have 4 in my squad so they can be each character in Sex and the City. But I found this one right here and this one right here, and these, I'll tell you exactly what happened. Okay, so I am a plant mom, and I really want a dog. I know this sounds really crazy. I really want a dog, but the hubs is like, no ma'am. So I was like, well, since I can't have a puppy, can I get some plants? And he was like, okay. So initially I was going to get a total of 4, and we were trying to think of names when I got the first 2. And little man was like, call him Greenleaf. And I was like, that's not a girl name. My plants are all girls. And then the hubs was like, won't you call them girls in the movie that you watch all the time, Sex and the City? I was like, ding, 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 ding. So I decided to call my crew Plants in the City, and I was going to name them Carrie, Samantha, Maranda, and Charlotte. But then I started doing research, and then I started seeing other plants that I wanted. And then because I needed something that had color, because Miranda's hair is red, I was just like, what am I going to do? So anyway, I had to go to work this morning. Today is Tuesday, and I only had 1 client today. This is a slow season because everybody's getting braids because it's so hot and humid out here in these VA streets. So I was like, okay, that's going to be on my to-do list. Plus I had to get some other things. So went into one of the biggest plant stores that's here in Richmond, Virginia, Strangest, and oh my gosh. If y'all think I'm obsessed with stickers and washi and Villa Beautiful pens, I think I found a new passion. I'm never obsessed, I'm just passionate. So let's go ahead and let me reintroduce you to the squad and introduce you to the new. All right, so I'm hoping not to jack up these names. Like I said, I'm a new plant mom, so the origins and things like that I might not know exactly. But this beauty right here is a Croton, Petra. And as you can see, look at all of those beautiful, vibrant colors. And I decided to name her Samantha because she's just a bit much. And if you watch the movie Sex and the City Part 2, she even admitted that. And then, you know, y'all know she's a bit much. The newbie right here is a Philodendron. And just look how beautiful this is. So it's called, I believe it's called a McColleys finale. Also a Prince of Orange. So apparently once the leaves fully mature, they're supposed to turn green. So I'm going to love the change of this color and just the variation. So I decided to name her Maranda because she had like a pop of red on the stems. And you know, Maranda has evolved throughout the whole seasons and the movies, so this would be perfect. So this one right here, this is a peace lily, and I did get her without the orchid that grows out just because I didn't want to have the hassle. Now if one grows, amazing. And look, she has new babies popping out since I bought her on Sunday. So this is Charlotte, and the reason why it's Charlotte, because Charlotte is just so upright and just perfect, and everything about this peace lily is upright and perfect. Now the next one right here, this was something that I saw by watching Plantarina, and it's called a dumb cane. Don't ask me to tell you what the original origin is or what the real name is, but I really liked it because it had the light in the inside, and it really kind of set everything apart. And it's really nice and full, and I thought it would be a great addition to the squad. This one doesn't have a name yet. I might just call it Cane. I mean, it's a dumb cane, right? But they're supposed to all be girls, so anyway, we'll figure out the name. Then lastly, one of the hottest plants on Instagram. This is a Monstera Deliciosa. Now they have different types. Now the leaves will grow and get splits in the middle as they mature. But when they grow, they look just like a regular, almost like a heart. And as you can see, this one got little new ones already. I almost feel like this one sprouted since I brought it home. And I just brought it home today. So this one, because it's so unique and it has like a little wild edge to it, this is Carrie Bradshaw, but we still call her Carrie. So I can't wait to see how she grows, because you guys know Carrie in the show, in the movie, she evolved so much and went through so many changes. So I just figured it'd be perfect to name my Monstera after her, because it roots and grows like this, and then it gets like this, and then it gets like this. And y'all know Carrie went through a lot of changes. So these are my plants in the city. This one, like I said, I don't have a name to it. But yeah, so if y'all have any questions, please leave me a comment in the comments section. But these are my babies. I have it, you can see, I live upstairs, so the sunlight is perfect because it shoots in and it's just the right amount of light when the sun is out, because all of these plants, they require low to medium light and without direct contact to the sun. So I kind of put them in the order in which they need more sun. So this one is closest to the window. But yeah, so these are my plant babies. I hope y'all like, and let me know what you think about the first episode of Plants in the City.